to the Media Maven Marketing Minute, and today I'm going to share with you how to shoot video at home. If you're not using video to promote yourself or your business, you should be. It is what people are consuming online. And yes, sometimes I shoot in a studio because I work as a host, but you don't always have to do that. Right now, I have a light on my face. I'm literally in the corner of my home, but it looks kind of nice behind me, right? I have my pretty window, my clock, my blanket, an award, a lantern. It looks pretty nice, right? I sound good because I have a microphone on. I'm well lit because I have a light in my face. I have my notes in my hand. There's no reason why you can't be shooting video at home. I'm not using a fancy camera either. I'm talking to my iPhone. You guys can do this too. So just make sure that you have a nice, quiet space, you're lit well, and you sound nice, and share your expertise. Don't be afraid of the camera. It takes practice. But share your expertise. That's what people want to know about, right? That's what helps you promote your business. So what do you have to say? Pull out your camera, get a nice setting behind you, and just share.